Hi class. So today we will be reviewing the onset of words. Every pair, because I'm going to pair you guys up once I'm done explaining, will get a bag. There are two bags, one with the letter A and one with the letter B. On each of the bags there is a number. On the back of each card within the bag, they have that number on the back, so you know what number bag it goes into. Once you and your partner get your cards, we will be looking for the onset of words through an activity called word sorting with words. So, I'm going to remind you what onset is. Onset is the letters that come before the vowel. So, if I hold up the word sat, A is the vowel in this word. The letters before A is S, and S makes the S sound. So that is our first word. Another example of onset would be in the word shame. The A is the vowel, the first vowel in this word. And the letters before is the SH that makes the sh sound. So sh is the onset in this word. So the way you do this is you take all your words that are in the bag and you're going to spread them out. Spread them out so that you can see them very nicely and clearly so that you and your partner can fully figure this out. Okay, so I spread my cards out. You're going to have them spread out, something like this. And then you're going to pick up a word, just one random word. So I'm going to pick up this word. And I know that this word is cat. If I didn't know this word is cat, I could find the vowel, and I know that's an A, which makes the A sound. And then I also see that the letter in front of it is a C, which makes the K sound. So, even if I didn't know the word, I still know the letter. The first letter that comes before the vowel is the onset. So, K is the onset. So, C is the onset of this word. So, I have this word, and in my pile, I want to find the word that matches it. In some incidents, there might not be. But I know that there was a word that had an onset of C, or the K sound. So, let me see if I can find it. I think I found it. I have the word coat. And even if I didn't know if this word was coat, I know that O is the first vowel and C comes before O, and C has the K sound. So coat and cat have the same onset. And once you and your partner figure that out, you can pair them up and put them to the side. Ta-da, you've already created one onset. So let me show you another one. I have feed. Again, I might not know the word, but I know the first vowel is an E, and then that makes the first letter, or the onset, an F. Okay, so I'm going to try to find the onset. But this time I don't really know what the letter is, and I can't really find something, so I accidentally pick up seed. And I sit there and I'm like, seed, it rhymes with feed, but they don't have the same onset because seed has the S and feed has the F, and S don't match. So I put the C down and I'm like, okay, feed. I have an F. I'm looking for F. And then I see farm. And I'm like, farm, the A comes first, which is the first vowel, and then there's the F. So farm and eat, and E is the first vowel there. That's another onset. So I partner them up and I set them down. Now I have two onsets. Now there are instances in this activity where you will not have a matching onset. So say I pick up the word shame. The vowel is A, and the letters that come before it is sh. And sh is the onset, which is SH. Sh. But as I look in my pile, I only see another S. All my S's only have an S. There's no SH. So in this instance, this is going to be a word by itself because there is no SH onset that matches it. So you just put it to the side and it's a single pair. So that's what you guys are going to do. Now let's work on doing this together and then we'll go into our individual partner work. Okay, my friends?